Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel German with Siddhant. My name is Siddhant Miglani, your German language teacher. In today's video, I'm going to explain you question words with examples translated from German to English language. So let's begin the session. Interrogatives, question words. In today's lesson, I'm going to explain you 19 types of question words with examples translated from German to English language. Through this complete explanation, you guys can actually form a complete sentence with a given question word. First, we have the translation for the word interrogative. The word is das Fragewort. Then, plural, interrogatives, die Fragewörter. So what's the difference between singular and plural? We have O with umlaut. Umlaut means we need to put two dots above the letter O. This specific letter has a pronunciation of AO in German. So we call it die Fragewörter, means interrogatives. Our first question word is was, which means what. We have an example here. Was sind Sie von Beruf? In German language, S is pronounced as Z. So we call it Was sind Sie von Beruf? Means what's your occupation? Wie, which means how. Wie geht es Ihnen? Which means how are you? Wo, which means where. Wo wohnen Sie means where do you live. Woher, where from. Woher kommen Sie? We have the translation, where are you from? Next, wohin means where to. Wohin fahren Sie? Where are you traveling to? Wie viele means how many. In German, V alphabet is pronounced as F. So we call it wie viele means how many. Wie viele Geschwister haben Sie? Translation, how many siblings do you have? Wann, which means when. Wann gehen Sie zur Party? When are you going to the party? Wie oft, how often. Wie oft gehen Sie in die Disco? How often do you go to the disco? Warum, which means why. Warum lernen Sie Deutsch? Why are you learning German? Wie lange means how long. Wie lange dauert die Zugfahrt? How long does the train journey take? Wie alt means how old. Wie alt sind Sie? How old are you? Wie viel, how much. Wie viel kostet das Hemd? How much does this shirt cost? Wie viele, how many. Wie viele Schokoladen haben Sie? How many chocolates do you have? Wie hoch means how high. Wie hoch ist der Berg? How high is the mountain? Wie breit means how wide. Wie breit ist der Fluss? How wide is the river? Wie tief means how deep. Wie tief ist der See? How deep is the lake? Where means who. Wer sind Sie? Who are you? Now you have two question words which have the same meaning. Wieso, which means why. Next, weshalb also means why. Now we have examples. Wieso kommt der Zug so spät? Why the train is so late. Weshalb geht Peter nicht zur Schule? Why doesn't Peter go to school? That's all for today's session. In today's topic, we have covered almost every question word that we use in our daily conversations. For better practice, thorough with the meanings first and then make sentences with the given question words. Thanks for watching the lesson. Goodbye.